Hey everybody. So not too much growing outside. Obviously here it's the winter time here, or late fall here in Wisconsin. So I do think there's a lot of things you can do in your garden while you're not actually growing stuff. Let me fix this plant right here. This is one of them. Maintenance. I have this blackberry that was just growing on the ground. So I just lifted it up off the ground, set on another one. We'll deal with that in the spring. But just go through your garden, see what you want to plant and where you want to plant it next year. And then maybe think of ideas to, or ways to improve your garden or change your garden boxes. This garden box over here, as much as I love the layout, I'm thinking about separating it. And what I mean is, so the garden boxes are great. I like this one right here. Perfect size. But this one, it seems a little bit too wide. I'm thinking about separating them into 3 garden boxes. It makes them a lot more manageable. And I feel like there's some wasted or dead space on the garden boxes. So this one here, I have a lot of my asparagus growing. I'm going to keep it right here. But what I'm probably going to do is I'm going to cut this box. I'm going to make it 2 feet wide. And then put a walkway. And put another one. And then put a walkway. I feel like by doing that, I'll be able to manage the space a lot better. I'll be able to get in, because sometimes it's hard to get the plants that are right here in the middle and see what's growing there. Otherwise, I gotta go all the way around over here. Yeah, nice and far, not really. But then I gotta lean over and stuff is growing up. So I think it'll be a lot more manageable if we do that. And we'll make this box into those rows as well, so I can actually get in here and harvest the plants. As well as harvesting them efficiently, I'll be able to maintain them efficiently. I'll be able to see how things are growing, what adjustments I need to do. Also, my irrigation. I'll be able to get my irrigation exactly where I need it to go. So I had thought about doing the same thing in the hoop house here, because it's really difficult to get to these. I do love the wide space, so I can get some really beefy plants to grow in here. And as we're talking about the hoop house, got my lettuce right here. Really aren't doing the greatest just because it's just so cold in here. And this one we harvested before we left. We were having a salad for dinner, and we'd bought some lettuce, and the lettuce wasn't good. So fortunately, I had some of this bib leaf lettuce, so I just went and cut the tops off when we ate the lettuce on there. I don't expect too much of that to grow back this year. Probably going to go ahead and just clean it up and then just leave it for the winter. And hopefully early spring, late winter, when it starts warming up, that lettuce will grow back. But yeah, not too much. The herbs are over here. These guys are doing good. The rosemary, it's handling it pretty good. And then I just got some more lettuce over here. You see it's growing pretty decent, but it's starting to get burned pretty good. It's about mid 40s here in the hoop house. It's about mid 30s outside. So the hoop house during the day really only keeps it about 10 degrees warmer. The sun's not out. If the sun was out, it'd be really warm in here. But yeah, not too much going on in the hoop house. So like I said, not too much I can do outside right now. You let everything sit through the winter. Let my cover crop help out. But yeah, I gotta do some other things. What I like to do here when I can't grow outside is I go downstairs and I grow in the basement. And this is all the indoor gardening that I'm doing right now. I got my fruit trees, my citrus fruit trees underneath the growing lights. I went with the lemon, the lime. Picked up this orange one, and then my Meyer lemon. Got a lot of new growth on it. Got all my seeds. Kind of cleaned up this area today to start prepping for my indoor gardening. I'll be doing my little green guys here and start getting a bunch of lettuce going. But I realized I don't have any dirt, so it's a whole nother trip. I gotta go pick up some dirt at some point. And then we'll start our lettuce growing, and yeah, show you guys how I do that. But yeah, that's what I got going on right now. I'm not gardening outside, but I'm gardening inside. Start planning for my garden for next year. Hey, keep growing, and I'll talk to you later.